Hello, today we're going to be looking at ratio recipes. Now, this recipe makes 10 cakes. So let's say it's going to be your birthday soon and you want a caterer to bake a cake for you. So you go to the caterer and say to the caterer, I want to make 10 cupcakes. And the caterer says to you, go and get 250 grams of flour, 25 grams of sugar, 50 grams of cheese, 70 grams of butter, 100 ml of milk, and this will make cakes for 10 friends. Okay, now if you change your mind and you now say you want to make cake for 20 people, what do you think we're going to do? Are we going to increase it or decrease it? So in this ratio, whatever you do to one, you're going to do to all of them. So now you are making for 20 people, you're going to multiply everything by 2. So if we multiply that by 2, we're now going to make for 20 people. So we'll multiply the flour by 2, we're going to get 500 grams of flour. We multiply the sugar by 2, we're going to get 50 grams of sugar. We multiply the cheese by 2, we have 100 grams of cheese. Multiply the butter by 2, we have 140 grams of butter. Multiply the milk by 2, we're going to get 100 ml of milk. So that gives us this. So now see that for 20 cakes, we will need 500 grams of flour. And that's how to do it. So I need 500 grams of flour to make 20 cakes. We go to the next one. How much sugar will I need for 5 people? Now we know that all of this will make for 10 people. Now to get 5, you will ask yourself, what can I do to 10? And gives me 5. You divide by 2. So you're going to divide all of that by 2. So if we divide that by 2, we're going to have for 5 cakes, we will have 12.5 grams of sugar. So I need 12.5 grams of sugar to make 5 cakes. Okay, how much cheese will I need for 30 cakes? I'm going to do this. What can I do to 10 to get 30? I'll multiply by 3. So I'll multiply everything by 3, and the 30 cakes will give me 150 grams of cheese. So I need 150 grams of cheese to make 30 cakes. Now look at this. Now if I want to make 1, always look for 1. So I'll divide everything by 10. So for 1, I'm going to get 7 grams of butter. So I need 7 grams of butter to make 1 cake. How much milk will I need for 100 cakes? So what do I do to 10 to give me 100? I'll multiply everything by 10. If I do that, I'm going to have the cheese will be times 10. So the milk will be 1 liter of 1 liter of butter is what I need. So I need 1 liter of milk. Oh, sorry, 1 liter of milk. I need 1 liter of milk to make 100 cakes. Okay, now write out a new ingredient list for 50 cakes. So you're going to multiply everything by 5. And this is what you're going to get. Okay, that's about when we have to share ingredients using, this is what we do when we have to share the ingredients. All right, then see you in the next lesson.